Good morning everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the topic linked list. Okay, so first we will discuss the definition of linked list, and after the definition we will discuss the types of linked list. So the definition of linked list: a linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory location. In simple word, we can say that a linked list consists of nodes where each node contains a data field and a reference field to the next node in the list. Reference node or reference link is also called address of the linked list. Okay, so every node of the linked list divided in two parts. First part is the called data field, and the next part of the linked list is called reference field or address field. Basic operation on linked list. So the basic operation we can perform on linked list are: first one is traversal. Traversal means to traverse all the nodes of the linked list one after another. Insertion. Insertion means to add a node at the given position in a linked list. Deletion means to delete a node from a particular position, or from the beginning of linked list or from the last node. Okay, so deletion means to delete a node from the given or particular location in linked list. Searching. Searching is an operation to perform in linked list to find an particular element or element by value. Updating, to update a node in a linked list. Sorting, to arrange all the nodes in a linked list in a specific order. Merging. Merging process means to merge two linked lists into a one single linked list. Next, following are the types of linked list. First type of linked list is a singly linked list, and the second type of linked list is doubly linked list, and the another type of linked list is circular linked list. Circular linked list also categorized in two types of linked list. First one is singly, or second one is doubly. So first one is singly circular linked list and the second one is doubly circular linked list. After that, we will discuss the definition of singly linked list. A singly linked list is a collection of nodes linked together in a sequential way, where each node of the singly linked list contain a data field and an address field. Address field is also called reference field or pointer field that contain the reference of the next node. So the reason of the name is reference section. Okay, the structure of the node is the singly linked list is every node of the singly linked list is divided in two parts. First part is value or data part, and the next part is address or pointer part. The first node of any linked list is called head node, and it points to the next node in the sequence. The second important point in the linked list is the last node or reference is null, indicating the end of the linked list. This is all about the linked list, the definition of linked list or singly linked list. So after that, or our next lecture, we will discuss about the another type of linked list. The name of the linked list is doubly linked list. Thank you.